Hello, my name is Leonard. I live in Russia and I don't know English. I don't know English really good. But my path is from English. But like to support uh, the support theory of simulation or about simulation. I also really like code. I'm really bad artist. I'm плохой художник. Really bad, really плохой. I'm the worst in the world artist. I don't know how to draw. Could I just do shit? Work is really bad. Also, I like Sherlock Kogi. Kogi best doesn't have puppies. It's clever. It's very cute. Really cute Kogi. So love it. So cute. Okay, you'll watch Kogi for 1.5.